Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger messages not sending. So if you open your Messenger and you have a message that says pending or failed to send, failed to receive, or whatever the kind of the message is and it's failed something right here, the following thing must be done to assure that it's not from them. Of course, first of all, as usual, check your Wi-Fi and check your mobile data. Go to Chrome, load the page, or go to YouTube, try loading a video, select one, remove one, see from which one it might be the problem, and be sure that it's not a problem from them. If it's not from them and you have stable internet, you should do the following. Go to Google Play and open up your Messenger from there. Find it in Google Play, then open up Messenger. If it says update here instead of open, make sure to update Messenger before going to onwards. I'm just gonna click update. So it's not from our internet, as we can see, because we have internet. It is installing the updates right now. And afterwards, it should just say open. If it just says open like it is here in green, then your Messenger is up to date and you shouldn't be having any problems for the app. If not, you can try removing the app as a whole and reinstalling it just to be sure that it's up to date and everything is correct. If this doesn't fix the problem, you should do the following. Go to your app settings. Find Messenger. And after you force stop it because you need to reinstall it, for example, or you want to restart it, click on data usage and make sure that mobile, Wi-Fi, background and roaming data are all turned on. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time, and if it did, leave a like and subscribe.